Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Amaya. I am here with my group members,
Cadogan.
Visual Scrum.
and we are group 16. Our topic was drones, specifically drones and architecture. And today just gonna be giving my thoughts on the assignment itself. For me personally, I feel like a big takeaway of mine was that the scale of the impact of drones in construction and architecture was completely different from my understanding of it. When it came down to precision, sorry, um, and the positioning of the systems, I thought it was really impressive of how down to the centimeter level the accuracy was when it came to drone planning, which was crucial when it came to surveying sites and model accuracy, of course. I also found that learning the automation in the flight modes and obstacle avoidance was very impressive as well. It gave me a really interesting perspective on how drones operates and the level of complexity it works at in different environments to reduce risks to not only like the workers but like collateral damage as well. Um, Before this, I really saw drones as mainly a tool for photography, usually when it came to camera shots and like camera angles. Um, but now I kind of like shifted it, seeing how technologically advanced we are and how much like algorithms and um calculations goes into it. Another interesting part I noticed was real world examples. Um, Companies like Zenadrone and Skydo, how they use or they implement AI machine learning into these little devices um, to make a more efficient job for more like less risk, less repeating struggles as well. Pass it on to Jai.
So one thing that I learned during this project was how advanced the technology of drones are. I always thought drones were just flying cameras, like what Amaya said, or just used for like events, like weddings, or I guess for military excursions as well to like scout and that kind of thing. But I didn't realize that they are very complex. So they use PID algorithms, sensor fusion, and processors, which runs hundreds of calculations per second to keep the drone stable. So I realized that the drones can actually like hold um position within just a few centimeters, which is what makes it accurate photogrammetry possible. Yeah. That what is very hard to say. But yeah. So how does change my perspective? I think the way how I saw drone before, when in terms of construction, it never really like clicked. But now I always thought that they were just for videos or photo taking or shooting films and movies for that and that kind of thing. But now I understand that it is very critical in architecture and the precision of these systems and to generate the 3D models as well for the which is also crucial as well as the site measurements. So it made me see drones more professional as surveying tools rather than consumer gadgets. And another interesting part of working on the project was learning how flight planning software actually automates the whole data process for data collection. So you don't actually have to manually fly the drone. You can just software helps you pick a path for the drone, helps you overlap it and the angles as well. So I actually enjoy seeing how everything like kind of just came together like a puzzle piece. And yeah, I will pass it on to Vishal Sukram.
Throughout my research on drones, I've come to understand just how vast the impact drones can have on architectural design. Traditional methods like formal building inspection involves manual labor and expensive tools such as scaffolding, etc. Now with drones, you will not need to have the use for these as with drones, you get rid of the use of manual labor, enhancing building safety inspection protocols. You won't need individuals to go and conduct these inspections in person. You'll have the drone do these activities. Additionally, drones can save money on other, we will have to spend money on other tools like scaffolding, etc. Drones are now integrated with powerful AI platforms, and these are also helpful with the use of battery technology. Now, drones have forced battery technology innovation as lithium-ion batteries now have to fit within a compact design, and this has allowed for the use of more powerful sensors such as LiDAR and thermal cameras. Through these uses, we now have more and more sustainable projects and building safety protocols.